In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop OneDrive from sharing files and folders. This is really useful if you've shared something from your OneDrive account and now want to ensure it's no longer accessible by others. We'll dive into the steps needed to make this happen, and you don't need to worry as it's a simple process. So let's get started. First, you'll want to go to your web browser and navigate to OneDrive.live.com. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in with your credentials. Make sure you're using the correct account associated with the files or folders you're looking to manage. After successfully logging in, head to the section where your files and folders are listed. Here, locate the shared file or folder that you no longer want others to access. Once you found the specific file or folder, right-click on it. A menu will appear, and you'll want to look for an option that says Manage Access. Click on that. Now, this is where you can view all the different ways this file or folder has been shared. It's important to check here to ensure you understand exactly who or what has access to your content. In the Manage Access pane, you'll see a section labeled Links Giving Access. These links are what allow others to view or edit your file or folder. To stop sharing, you'll want to focus here. You should see a small trash bin icon next to each link. By clicking on this trash can, you are essentially deleting the link, which stops sharing access instantly. Don't worry, this action won't affect your file or folder itself. It simply revokes the access permission. And just like that, you've successfully stopped sharing your OneDrive file or folder with others. It's quite a straightforward process, but crucial for maintaining the privacy and security of your data. Just remember that if someone still needs access in the future, you'll have to share the file again by sending them a new link. And there you have it. By following these steps, you ensure that your files and folders are only accessible by you, unless you decide otherwise. This is one of the many ways you can take control of your content and keep your information safe. Be sure to regularly check your shared files and manage access as needed. So thanks for tuning into today's guide on stopping OneDrive from sharing files and folders. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials. Have a great day and take care.